Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to POCO M5. First of all, just open Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Then you need to type in Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to operate in Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select Receive on POCO over here and Send on Nokia smartphone at the bottom left corner. Following that, you can finally click on all of those dots. And this way, select all of those files. In order to send them, choose Send over here. It will take some time to transfer all of them now, so I will go with only one. For example, this song. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on POCO, you need to tap on one of those options, Yes I agree or No thanks, and choose Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing scanning icon on POCO next to input key, then selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can also go back, input this key over here instead, and tap on Receive button in order to connect. As you can see, after a while my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!